Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I'll be showing you guys how to simply share your TikTok profile to other social media platforms. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick around for the rest of the video. So the first thing you want to do is to actually launch TikTok and go to your profile. So once you've done that, you'd simply tap on your profile. That's if you don't have a story up, you tap on your profile and you could simply click one of the options such as WhatsApp. I'll be using WhatsApp as an example. So you'd simply click on WhatsApp to share your profile to any of your WhatsApp contact. You could also copy the link of your profile and you could share it to other social media sites. So if you do have a story up, this method won't work for you. So what you'd want to do is to click on the menu icon, after which you'd select settings and privacy, and then under accounts you'd see share profile. So you'd simply tap on share profile and it would give you the same option as before to share to other social media platforms. So this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video or you found this video useful, please like, share, and if you're new, please subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you so much for watching.